Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Ampavan. So in this tutorial I am going to show the process of installing Android 16 custom ROM on your Samsung M52 5G device. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, let's see how we can install an Android 16 custom ROM on this Samsung M52 5G device. As you already know, we can't upgrade this device into Android 16 with Samsung servers because Samsung has already closed the updating process for this device. That's why we need to install a custom ROM on this device to upgrade this device into Android 16. So as the first step of installing a custom ROM on this Samsung M52 device, you need to unlock the bootloader and you need to install a custom recovery on this device. So if you don't know the process of unlocking the bootloader or installation of a custom recovery on this Samsung M52 device, you can refer to the videos that I have included in the description of this video to unlock the bootloader and installation of a custom recovery. So after completing both of those things, you will be able to continue from this tutorial to install this Android 16 custom. So I am going to show you my device info. So when it comes to here, you can see my model number is Samsung M526B, which means M52 5G device, and my Android version is 16. So I am using this Android 12.1 custom ROM on my device, which comes with Android version 16. So friends, before continuing to the installation process of a custom ROM on this Samsung M52 device, you need to take a full backup of the data partition of your phone, because this custom ROM installation process will permanently wipe everything that included in your phone memory and device partition. So with that, I am going to continue with the installation process of this Android 12.1 Android 16 custom ROM on this Samsung M52 5G device. You can download this custom ROM file also from the given links in the description of this video, and then you need to move that custom ROM file onto your external SD card, not onto the phone storage. Then we can continue the installation process of this custom ROM on your device. To do that, you need to turn off your device like this. So as the next step, you need to have a working USB cable, and that USB cable must be connected to your PC. Then you need to connect that USB cable into your phone while pressing and holding your volume up key and power key together like this. Now you need to release your power key and press it once again while pressing your volume up key and power key together. This will bring you to the TWRP recovery screen. So when it comes to here, you can see we are required to have this kind of a OTG adapter and a USB mouse to operate in this recovery mode, because our touch screen not working here on this device. So I'm going to connect this OTG cable into my phone. Here you need to go to the wipe option, then do a small factory data reset like this. This will wipe all the data in your phone, including applications. Now go to advanced wipe option, then clear Dalvik cache and metadata partitions. Also you can clear the data partition too. Now go to install option. So here you will be able to find the Android 16 custom ROM and GApps file. You can download both of these files from the given links in the description of this video. So I'm going to install them one by one. So if you want to switch to your external storage, you can do it from here. Okay friends, now we have successfully installed this Android 12.1 Android 16 custom ROM on our Samsung M52 5G device, and I'm going to install this Google app package also in my custom ROM, which brings the Play Store functions to my device. Now don't click on reboot system option, just press back button, and you are required to go to this wipe option once again. Then go to format data option. Here you need to type yes. Press enter button and wait till completing of the formatting process of your internal memory. Now you can click on the reboot system option. Your boot will take some time, and also this wipe data option that we have done at the last point will fix the booting problem. Okay friends, now we can remove the OTG cable from the device and complete the startup process of our device. Please don't turn on this stick. So friends, when it comes to here, you can see we have successfully installed this Android 12.1 Android 16 custom ROM on our Samsung M52 5G device. Also we have the access to Play Store functions too. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.